Hey, welcome to the second part of layers. So in the previous lesson, we learned about each tool and how to move around layers. And in this lesson, we'll be learning about blending modes and transparency layers. So let's begin.
So let's open a new project. Now we'll add a second image. If you got the free version, then you can have up to 2 layers. And with the Pro version, you can have 5. So before start to work, it's important to have this in mind. You can always get the same results, but you might need to merge layers in order to keep adding more. The blending modes is the way that the top image will blend into the images that are below. There are many blending modes, and the best way to understand how they work is by trying them out. Some of them are very useful for specific effects, like screen, which is great for the famous double exposure look. Another useful mode is multiply, which is great to get rid of white areas and leave only the dark ones. For example, if we add this image, I would like to get rid of the background and have only the birds. So, since it's white, I can apply this blending mode and that's it. On the other hand, lighten is the opposite of multiply, which leaves only the whites and gets rid of the blacks. So the key here is to play around to get to know them well, in order to know which ones will help us to get the results that we're looking for. Now, let's add a transparent layer. This is great for adding elements to the composition, such as text, stickers, doodles, or shapes. Since they are on a different layer, we'll have full control over them. So that's it. We just covered the basics for working with layers. Hope you liked this lesson and see you on the next one.